how in the experiments, in the equations, in everything we do, we have to account for other forms of reality that are not strictly solid, strictly protons, but different ways of manifesting reality. And you know, there are lots of experiences, and in my side, I know a lot of people that can't see the field so clearly, you know, things coming in and out, and moving, color things. So yeah, it's like, because several of us see the same thing, so they can coexist because we are all seeing the same thing. And I mean,
in some of these,
part of the, when we say the dark matter and things, maybe this is the substance of the mind, of the spiritual substance. That's a good idea. Has something to do.
Yes. Yeah, I think that you know, it's not so separated, like spirits and things like that, you know.
No, they're interacting.
Yeah, I think they're still part of the energy matter world.
Yeah.
Because matter is not really anything solid, it's energy itself. It's just vibrating at different frequency.
Yeah.
And these frequencies match scales. So if you take the spin rate of the proton and then you go lower or below the Planck's distance, or even at the Planck's distance, like for instance, if you were made of Planck distances, right now, you would look like a vacuum to me. You know what I'm saying? So I wouldn't see you. And, you know, just like an electromagnetic wave in this field, you know, like a radio wave, I wouldn't see you, I wouldn't feel you, I wouldn't know you're there. But if I tune my senses like a shaman or something, and then all of a sudden I tune to the right frequency, then I would see you, right?
Can move the shoulder, whatever. The great part of the car is inside. It's like taking the car out. No? And you cannot see it, but different people that can see, they can see the whole car coming out of the shoulder. So, and it exists because several people are looking at it, and you can dissolve it in the vacuum. So it can be dissolved, it can be like erased.
That's memory in the structure, in the structure of the vacuum.
Yeah, what we say we are taking memories of the Samskaras.
Right. Yeah. That's memory in the structure of the vacuum. So, you know, people that are tuned.
It's not only killing people, there are some memories inside this.
There's memories in the structure of the vacuum everywhere. That's what makes the structure of the vacuum, is the memory in it. And so, you know, that's what makes time, that's what makes evolution. And so when you're tuned into the vacuum, then you can start to see what's in the structure of the vacuum.
So we're passing
you can see
different memories.
What's your
Yeah, we are passing through memories as we're moving.
So we're intersecting.
We're intersecting as well.
3140. And your name, honey?
Yeah,
it's Joyce.
Constituted by certain geometrical shapes.
What I'll do,
that, like, the more
I'll walk him
positive
down.
the memory, the more perfect, like, the shape.
Yeah, more, like more, just like a crystal, closer the molecules are to like perfect bond angle, more clear the crystal is. But it becomes more and more opaque as the bond angle gets more and more distorted. So yeah, memory
That's what
is...
crystals are. It's like they're almost like good memories that you should grow.
Right. Wow. Right. They're like manifestation of the structure of space-time. That's why they grow in water.
Look, in our work, these memories have some kind of weight. They are curving.
They have mass.
They are curving this time. So you are, as a human being, you are repeating cycles again and again with the same pattern.
From that memory.
Because there is a curving. So you are again, when you take this memory out, the evolution can happen. So you go to a different pattern because the space or the time stopped curving around this memory.
Right.
So, no, if you are accounting for a strong force,
Right.
no, you imagine how much mass or whatever mass exists to curve the time in a way that you are repeating cycles, so you are moving.
You could
Yeah,
calculate
you are
that.
in a black hole, in an etheric black hole, moving around. So the matter here, the space, you are going to different places, different relationships, always happens the same. But no, the space is not curving in the material world, but in the etheric world, you are in a black hole, and you have to dissolve the black hole in order to go a different scale.
That's awesome. You know, I wanted to point something that was.
Yeah, you're not dissolving the black hole.
Well,
You're transposing the mass, meaning instead of you're moving the mass ahead of you, so that like.
okay, you are attracted to the next instead
Yes,
of
exactly.
Yeah, it's
The
like
probability of that.
the black hole is not spinning here, but
Right.
the spinning going ahead.
Right, that's right. You're going.
Just
give
kind of
movement
like,
to
just
the
kind of
black.
like
That's
the
right.
sun is moving forward and the planets are chasing after it. Kind
Yeah,
of like
it's
an
like the solar system is stuck in here, and it's not okay. You're going to evolve. You have to move. the
Right, that's
system.
right. That's right.
Okay.
So, yeah. So, yeah.
Yeah. Let's go to it.
I gotta go. I need to.